Mm-hmm.
We can number the machines from 1 to 10 and pick
Mm-hmm.
up one cigarette from each machine. I mean, one cigarette as per the number, like one
Mm-hmm.
cigarette machine number 1, 2 from machine 2, 3 from 3, and 10 from 10, just like that.
Mm-hmm.
If we take like that, we'll have around 55 cigarettes, and we can weigh 55 cigarettes at one at a time.
Mm-hmm.
We know how much one cigarette weighs, so we know how much 55 cigarettes weigh totally.
Mm-hmm.
What we can do is, suppose 55 cigarettes weigh X without the one extra gram.
Mm-hmm.
And when we weigh, if the weight measured is X plus 1, that means machine number
Mm-hmm.
fault. If it is X
Mm-hmm.
plus 10, machine 10, and X plus 5, then machine 5.
Very good. Okay. So, team, very good, Larry. Good job.
Thank you.
So, team, like, say, for example, we have, 10 machines. We number it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we will pick from the first machine 1 cigarette, from the second machine 2 cigarettes, 3 cigarettes from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, same way, right? Who did not understand this puzzle, you can ask me so that it's going to be more clearer when I explaining you. If you already understood, then I will just go to the regular topic. What do you want me to do? Reshma. Yeah, Reshma, could you please unmute and talk to me?
Yeah, I didn't understand.
Okay, so what I'm doing is, from the first machine, I'm taking 1 cigarette.
Mm-hmm.
Second machine, 2 cigarette. Third machine, 3 cigarette. Fourth
Okay.
machine, 4 cigarette. Totally, like this, total, how many cigarettes I have?
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 all sum.
Yeah, it is going to be, if you sum it, right,
Mm-hmm.
it should be 55.
55. Oh, got it. Yeah.
Then if you get an output in a weighing machine shows 56, then which machine is defective?
That's what we have to find.
Which one?
That's what you have to find, right?
Yeah, if it is 56 means it
Uh-huh.
is filling only 1 gram extra,
Yeah.
right? There is a 1 gram extra means there is only 1 cigarette is extra. That is this one, right?
Uh-huh.
Are understanding or not?
When it's 56, that means there is 1 extra. Up to there, I understood.
Okay, see. Say for example, consider the first machine is defective.
Mm-hmm.
What does the defective means? It is adding how many grams extra?
1.
1. So then what should be the weight of this?
The first one? 56.
No. If I weigh this only one of this cigarette, what should be the weight of it?
1. Or if it's
No,
defective, then 2.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah.
So this one, this is
If
not
it's
defective. How much
defective,
is the weight?
if it's defective, then 3.
No, it is not defective. Either of the 10, out of 10, there should be
Only
one
1.
machine can be.
Okay. Then it should
What
be
should
2
be the
only.
weight?
2.
2. So this one?
3.
Okay. So rest all the things remain same, right?
Yeah.
Rest all the things remain same. Right? Now what should be the total now?
56.
Yeah. So if you get a weight of 56, which machine is defective?
First one.
First one. Okay. If you get 57, which machine is defective?
Second.
Yeah, because this weighs 1, this weighs 4.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Because 2 cigarette, 1 gram extra, so total is 57.
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah.
you should be able to find out which machine is defective.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Awesome. All right. Okay. Next topic I'm going to do will be, and of course, today and tomorrow still I will go in slow motion or slow move, steps only. for the classes I'm going to take, it's going to be pretty slow because still few people not up to the mark. Up to the mark means completing the assignment. So Wednesday will have an exam. So after Wednesday's exam, we can go a little fast.
Okay.
Right. Where do I get this? Okay. So I'm going to, I just delete this. It's not required. It may cause too much confusion for you. What are those files now? Okay. New class. I just take session 2. We have done a lot of sessions, but I just make it a session 2. And we got your comments. Whatever the comments you've done, we are going to implement. We need to send the syllabus out, what we are going to teach. From Wednesday class onwards, we will see the syllabus, what we are going to teach in the next classroom. Right? So today we are going to discuss about methods.
Yeah, Abhishek, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Where were you posting these session 1, session 2 programs?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you posting them?
It's there in your Google Drive. Here, Eclipse code.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Java session, SRC folder, you have session 1. Where is session 2? It should come now. It will come in few minutes.
Okay.
No?
Got it. Thank you.
That new Eclipse code. Read only new Eclipse code. Session 1. This one. Session 1.java, session 2.java. So now whatever I'm typing here, same thing will appear. This one. Right? Okay. Okay. So Shweta, what happens during the classroom? During our Java program? Sometimes we need to repeat some set of code as a block of code again and again.
Okay.
Okay. So let's take an example. Int a comma b and comma sum. Right. I'm going to define int a, b, c, a, b, and sum. A equals 20 and b equals 20, 10, and a equals 10, b equals 20. Now, if I want to perform sum equals a plus b. Right. This is how we use.
Okay.
Right. So now consider this addition of this number. I need to repeat multiple times. So how can I do that? Now I can define, c comma d, right? And again, so sum equals c plus b. I should be able to repeat like this. Right? Again, I need to define c equals 12, d equals 32, right?
Yes.
So instead of doing this one, repeated activity, I just want to call and create a method. In order to create a method, it should be outside main, but it should be inside class.
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be public static void and none. Right. So we are going to study what is this public and what is the static, what is this void in detail as we proceed. Right. So now add them, right? So this is going to receive argument. It is not variable. It is going to be argument.
Okay.
Right? Int x comma int y. Right.
Okay.
So inside that, I can say result, right? Total. Int total. Right. The total equals x plus y. Right. So now instead of performing this action, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just call add num 10 comma 20. Right. So system out dot println total, or I can say sum of addition of I can say x right here. Right? Are you with me?
Yes.
So I want to debug this. I'll give a breakpoint, and when I execute this, see, all this time we used to use the step over, right? F6.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are going to press F5.
Step over is it will go on to the next step. No, it will not stay at add num 10, 20. It will go on to the next step. And step
It go to, step over, it just is go to the next step, but it executes go to the next step. But F5 will take you inside the method.
inside the method. Okay.
Okay.
So if
then
we
can
press step over here, it will finish. It will finish.
Yeah. Okay. Addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay. You got this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So similarly, I don't want to print this. I don't want to print this message here. I want to print this message here. Right? There is no x and y. I can define, in a comma b, and a equals 10 and b equals 20. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of this, I can pass b. I can pass c. Addition of, instead of x, it will be b, and so we need to receive this value, right? I can return total, right? And I'm getting an error message. This method can return the value. If it is not returning anything, it's void. If it is returning something, so we need to give the data type of this. The return type is int. You get this?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to define sum, and there should be some value to receive this. This is going to be sum a plus b. This should be sum. You get this? So now when I debug this, I press F5, and what is the value it is returning? 30. Then you see the value of sum, does nothing. But when it comes back, so we'll see the value of sum is 30. Do you get this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you try this on your computer?
Okay.
To call
Say
into this.
Say for example, I need to call
Mm-hmm.
Another system system.println addition of 34 and 50,
Mm-hmm.
right? And just call add num 34 50. Okay, so now I'm not performing addition one more time, just I'm calling the method. So I get
Okay.
output.
Okay.
Right? I can reuse this n number of times.
Okay. Thanks, Abhishek.
Write a Java program to perform addition of 3 numbers. Can I do that?
Sure.
I want you to create a method which can perform addition of 3 numbers.
Okay. In the public main method, we included another.
Yeah, no, just tell this method, public static.
Okay, public static int add 3 num or add
Okay.
3 num int x comma int y int x comma int y comma int z int z. Int total total equals x plus y plus z, return total.
Very good. Right. So
And in
now
the main
you got
yeah, in the main method we can include another. We can declare c and initialize c as 30 and now we can put sum equals add 3 num of a comma b comma c.
Yeah. A comma. And I can display.
B and c.
Right. So now you can see, I debug this, you can see addition of 10 and 20 is 30, 10, 20, 30, 60. You see this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now here there is a little changes. What I want to do, instead of add 3 num, I need to replace this add num. I want to use the same method.
Override. Okay.
Okay. So will this work? Will this work?
Actually, it will work because there is some override feature in Java. No, it should work, but we have it should work, right?
I'm just asking. Let's
Yeah,
see, right? Let's debug.
I think it will work. It will override. It will override it. There is some feature in Java like that.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so I press F5. So, oh, sorry, that went. Okay, so I just want to stop this. Let me run this from the beginning. Right. F5. Where did this will go? Will this goes to line number 23 or 30?
30.
Okay, so it will go and find the method which has 2 arguments. Right?
Yeah.
And it will display the output. Now, when there is a 3 argument, it will go to the method which has 3 arguments. Right?
Okay. Okay.
And it will return the output according to the input they have given. Right? This mechanism, right? This mechanism, method having same name, but different argument is called method overloading. What do we call? Method overloading. Interview question. What is method overloading? Same method with different arguments is called method overloading.
Okay.
Right. So now let me create public static void add num string str1 string str2. Now is this overloaded method?
Yes.
Why?
But Because we are passing string as arguments. We are not giving integers as arguments.
Exactly. So here the two arguments, 3 arguments is also overloaded. Now 2 arguments with different data types. Here also 2 arguments, here also 2 arguments, but different data type is called method, overloaded method. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Public static void is this overloaded method?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is also overloaded method because it has no argument,
no-
but has some arguments. Same method with different arguments is called method overloading. It's an interview question. You need to be ready with this.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi